Hey guys, it's the Tomahawk Hacker here, and today I'm going to be opening 3 packs of the Champions League match stats. So, yeah, let's get into the first pack. Alright, I've got Vanessa's close card, Ben Afra, Nzonzi, Pakachaka, Singing, can't pronounce, I'm sorry. Pirlo, the Barcelona goalkeeper. I got the forward duo there. And I got the winner's card for Real Madrid. Can't pronounce it. Sorry, but only the second pack now. Alright, so I got code card Boateng. I got a rising star, another rising star. Away goal, Mendy. Sorry, I can't pronounce. Veto, Goal King, and the Manchester FC. No, Manchester City FC badge. Right. I'm sorry, I can't remember his name. Federer, Coleman, Koski, Diot, Bargazli, midfield duo. I can't pronounce the first guy, but I've got Vidal in it. And then Sevilla FC and man of the match. Can't pronounce it, sorry. Yeah, but guys, I have to leave this episode here. And I've got good news. I wasn't signed with any teams before I uploaded this video, but, well, last week, or back then. But today I signed with East End Boys. If you don't know who they are the Pars Foundation. And they're like... I'm sorry guys, but I have to leave this episode here. Goodbye!